I was doing all the things. But then I started replacing it all. I threw out my toothpaste, got a better one. Threw out the deodorant, got a better one. Got rid of all my food, replaced it with healthy food. Started getting filters. Some are really easy. Some you could do right away today. Some took a little bit more time. But over the course of weeks and months and even years, my lifestyle totally changed. And now I use none of that. I never go to fast food anymore. Someone says, let's go to McDonald's. No way, I haven't had McDonald's in years. All of our products are natural from natural sources. All of our cleaning, even when our cleaners come, we say, hey, make sure you're using these products. Make sure we're using vinegar or Norwex or doTERRA products instead that are all natural. And they clean just as good. Every once in a while, we got to throw a little bleach in. Once or twice a year. Very rare. So it is possible. You can do it. First, we have to identify the sources. So start with your home. Switching to natural cleaning products can reduce your toxic load by 60%.